What's up, guys? What's going on? Just want to say thank you to all you guys. Before I even start this video, I did hit 1,000 subscribers last week, and personally I thought that that was actually a really nice accomplishment, because when I started this YouTube channel about a year and a half ago, I never actually set out to get a bunch of followers or anything of that nature, because that's not really me. I kind of just set out to do my car stuff and teach you guys how to do some DIYs and things like that. But it's grown into something bigger, and I am actually, really happy about that. And I really just want to take this moment to say thank you, and I appreciate all you guys, especially you dedicated followers who I notice watch probably most, if not all, of my videos. Just want to say thank you, and listen, we crushed 1,000. Let's crush 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, and the sky's the limit. So until further ado, so let's get into the video, guys. What's up, guys? What's going on? 1, 2, 3. Truck, trailer. So you know what that means. Time to add something to the collection. Bring something home. Something you guys seen already, but we're gonna fast forward in this video, and yeah, bring home, bang, it's home. Just like that, guys. I'm hot. It's been a long day working, and I got all my got the Laguna Seca blue. We got the 2JZ, we got the LS M3, and we got a little 3 Series. It don't really count. It's just a 325 CI. Little daily beater. Probably get rid of it. It doesn't fit in. It's different. The fenders aren't even flared. The wheels suck. But anyway, that's home. And, now that you guys, some of you guys who have been following the channel do know that I had that E46 Laguna Seca blue for probably like a year now. I had that car, I acquired it. I just never brought it home because I have other things to do, and I didn't have space, I didn't have time to do it. But now that the 2JZ, those of you that's been following the 2JZ build, now that the 2JZ is started, it's actually still on the lips because I got some other little goodies that I'm going to do for it. It's going to be tuned in about 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, it's going to be tuned. In a week, this is going to Holly Fest in Kentucky, where everything LS is popping. So once I get the 2JZ out, then it's time to bring in the Laguna Seca. It's time to bring the Laguna Seca, start, doing some little ins and outs, putting it back together piece by piece, because it's a Laguna Seca, original 6-speed manual Laguna Seca. You guys already know that's a gold mine right there. But there is a few things that needs to be done to it, and in coming episodes we'll do some of those things. I'll show you guys what's going on with that car and what's necessary. The main thing that I have to focus on is the subframe on that car. It is torn to shits. I will show you guys that if I haven't already in another video. I don't remember. I'm not sure. But we're going to go over that car. I got a brace that's in here, and I'm going to put in a 2JZ. Then I got a brace that I need to put in that one. Tons of things. Tons of fun. A whole bunch of E46. If you want this 325 CI, it doesn't fit in too well. I think I'm going to get rid of it. I had the car for probably like 2 months now. But it's not my flavor. It's a 5-speed manual, as a matter of fact, as well. Clean title, everything is good to go with it. It's coming from me, so of course, mechanically it's sound. But yeah, guys, Laguna Seca is home, so stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and share this with somebody. I mean, at this point, I think I might have earned the name E46 M3 King. I might have earned it. I'll do a little a video on that or whatever on why I think I might have earned that name. But guys, until next time, thank you. Peace.